Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Are you ready to discover some game-changing tools that will revolutionize the way you work and play? Look no further. In today's video, we're showcasing a hand-picked selection of cool tools that are sure to blow your mind. From innovative gadgets to slick apps, get ready to level up your productivity and upgrade your lifestyle. Next up is a robot named King Louie. Crafted at a university in the United States with funding from NASA, this robot is inflatable, making it incredibly practical for space missions. In fact, King Louie is lighter, more cost-effective, and safer than traditional robotic models. Its inflatable sections are concealed within a fabric shell and function as muscles powered by a compressor. According to the makers, King Louie is just as capable as industrial robots like Baxter when it comes to lifting weights. Some reviews even suggest that the robot could serve as a backup air source. Could this be the first step towards a pudgy robot reminiscent of Baymax? The Ion Lev team has achieved a significant milestone by testing a levitating hand car, marking the first in the world to do so without the need for altering existing railroad tracks. Instead of traditional wheels, U-shaped magnets are used and they've proven highly effective. Moving a 10-ton vehicle feels as easy as carrying a 10-kilogram backpack. Speed isn't an issue either, with the car reaching 70 km per hour during tests. Powered by electric motors, it's also environmentally friendly. Looking ahead, Ion Lev's innovation holds promise for advancing urban transportation. Can you imagine a levitating hybrid combining features of a trolley bus and a streetcar line? Are you familiar with Portal? This Valve game is incredibly popular, with some gamers even rating it higher than Half-Life 2 in Team Fortress 2. One of its standout features is the ability to create portals, but equally intriguing are the protagonist's boots, which prevent her from getting hurt when falling from great heights. These boots might have served as inspiration for Kisimo. His invention, the Bionic Boot, not only brings Portal to mind, but also enables you to run at speeds of up to 40 km per hour. Just imagine zooming past cyclists on your way to work. Why place a tow and blow fan in the middle of a field for safeguarding crops from frost, controlling air stagnation, spraying water mist, and handling other tasks tailored for farmers? Twin Blow is a fan that assists in cultivating apples, avocados, grapes, and more. The 658 version boasts a 66 horsepower motor, propelling air at speeds of up to 18 meters per second. Despite its heavy weight of 1.9 tons, it's easily transportable and mountable. The trailer it's mounted on can be folded down to serve as a stand, and you can control the fan from your smartphone. Kavrid eVTOL is inspiration takes wing. And indeed, when you see this flying cab, you can picture streets free of traffic jams and feel excited. This is all possible thanks to Kavrid's features. It can accelerate up to 450 km per hour and has a range of about 800 km. The vehicle will be operated by a single pilot and there will be room for 6 passengers. Although Kavrid is still a prototype, the makers have already presented it to investors to kickstart production. Additionally, Kavrid can serve not only as a cab, but also as an ambulance or a cargo truck. The DJI Zenmuse L2 LiDAR is small enough to mount on a drone, yet powerful enough to cover an area of up to 2.5 km squares in a single flight. It boasts an impressive accuracy of 4 cm vertically and 5 cm horizontally. Considering its weight of just 430 grams, this is a remarkable performance. This device will greatly simplify the work of surveyors, builders, cartographers, and other professionals, allowing them to easily create 3-dimensional models from collected data with just one click. For those interested, the price of this LiDAR is approximately $19,600. Suitcases are also evolving to become more versatile and appealing. The Velo luggage is a prime example, adapting to various situations. Whether it's for business trips or vacations, it offers a maximum volume of up to 72 liters and 3 height levels 41, 56 and 60 centimeter. Built with a sturdy polycarbonate body and an aerospace-grade aluminum frame, it weighs 4.7 kg when empty. Now the question is whether it's worth investing $269 to enjoy all these features. The Labrador Retriever robot is equipped to assist with tasks around the house, resembling a mix between a table and a bedside table. It's primarily designed to aid elderly, sick or injured individuals. Agile and autonomous, it can navigate through the apartments, avoiding obstacles and working together with Alexa. Thanks to its carrying capacity of up to 11 kg, it's robust enough for various chores. The company also plans to add a Follow Me mode. They plan to launch the Labrador Retriever Pro model in the second quarter of this year. Or a yacht with helicopters, not very exciting, but a yacht with an airship. Now we're talking. Right now it's just an idea, but it looks so cool that maybe some rich person will decide to make it happen. Instead of buying soccer clubs, it'll cost about $1 billion. The yacht is called the Colosseum, which makes sense because it's 213 meters long. It can accommodate up to 44 guests and 22 crew members. The airship is named Norge as a tribute to the famous Nordica airship that successfully crossed the Arctic in 1926 with Captain Roald Amundsen. The modern Norge is built with carbon fiber and has electric motors, so it could theoretically reach speeds of up to 165 km per hour and carry up to 24 passengers, along with 10 crew members with ease. Now you see the world's smallest hydroelectric power plant, Blue Freedom. Weighing just 400 grams, it easily fits into a backpack. Blue Freedom's standout feature is its 12-centimeter diameter turbine, capable of charging the integrated 5,000 mAh battery in 3 to 4 hours with a flow of around 1.2 meters per second. For added convenience, the makers have included backlighting and USB ports. The fastest hiking and tech enthusiasts were able to purchase this hydroelectric power plant on Kickstarter for $179. We hope you found some awesome additions to your toolkit. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more exciting content, and share your favorite tools in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of innovation. See you soon.